Let's be honest, all cars break down, and it's how you take care of yours that matters. With that said, I've scoured the market and made a list of the 5 most affordable yet highly reliable SUVs for 2024 to 2025. I've also mentioned a number of model years to avoid, especially when buying a used car. So, whether you are seeking something new, interested in a pre-owned model, or simply want to know which cheap SUVs are the most reliable for 2024 to 2025, this car buying guide is for you. Therefore, stay with me till the end because this is the only video you need to watch to be able to make an informed decision. Number 1. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester debuted in 1997 and has been drivers' favorite since. It is a rugged AWD compact SUV known for its dependability, safety, and practicality. When it comes to reliability, the Forester goes grill to grill with the insanely loved Toyota RAV4, Mazda CX-5, and Honda CR-V. In fact, Subaru is consistently in the top 10 brands for reliability, with the 2025 model year having a predicted reliability score of 84 out of 100. The Forester also boasts an annual repair cost of $632, meaning it has average ownership cost. One thing I must point out though is that not all Forester models are created equal as far as reliability is concerned. That said, if you are seeking an affordable and reliable SUV in 2024/2025, consider 2016, 2021, and 2022 Forester models. Although old 2002 and 2008 Forester models have impressive reliability ratings as well. However, you may want to avoid 2009, 2014, and 2015 model years since they have poor reliability records. Number 2. Mazda CX-5. Since its debut in 2012, the Mazda CX-5 has been a popular crossover SUV for small families. Drivers love it for its sharp handling, competitive price, and high-quality interior. The CX-5 is also highly reliable, with the 2025 model year boasting a predicted reliability score of 82 out of 100. But like the Subaru Forester, different CX-5 models have different reliability ratings. Needless to say, the following are the most reliable Mazda CX-5 model years: 2021 CX-5, 2020 CX-5, 2019 CX-5, 2018 CX-5, 2017 CX-5, 2015 CX-5, and 2013 CX-5. Generally, Mazda CX-5 models are highly reliable. In fact, the CX-5 is the best performing model in the Mazda category, garnering over 20 points above the CX-9 and ranking first out of 26 midsize SUVs in reliability. To learn more about the Mazda CX-5 reliability rating, visit repairpal.com/reliability/Mazda/CX-5. Number 3. Honda CR-V. From families to everyday commuters, the Honda CR-V is the go-to model for many. This compact crossover SUV was first introduced in 1997, and its overall practicality, robust performance, and reliability have made it a popular option in the Honda lineup. It has also undergone several updates and is now in its 6th generation. These updates have not only enabled it to go wheel-to-wheel with top rivals like the Toyota RAV4 and Subaru Forester, but also make it the best bet for buyers looking for versatile and durable SUVs. That said, if you are in the market for the most reliable SUV, consider 2021, 2019, and 2006 CR-V model years. These Honda CR-V models have remarkable reliability ratings, impressive consumer reviews, and incredibly fewer common issues. Nonetheless, you may want to avoid 2011, 2015, and 2017 CR-V models. The 2015 model year, for instance, has garnered the most overall complaints in the CR-V lineup, and one of the common issues this model faces is a severely vibrating engine. According to most owners, the issue crops up at under 10,000 miles and is always not easy to identify the cause. Overall, Honda CR-V stats are as follows. Ranks number 2 out of 26 tested compact SUVs, has an overall reliability rating of 4.5 out of 5. low maintenance costs, reliability that goes over 200,000 miles, last between 10 and 20 years with good care. Number 4. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 model debuted in 1995 and has been a banger since. In fact, by 2019, the RAV4 became the best-selling SUV anywhere in the globe. It is therefore no surprise that this compact SUV always tops the list of most potential car buyers. Its reputation for reliability and quality is simply immeasurable. Furthermore, this compact SUV incurs low repair costs of $429 annually. While nearly all RAV4 models have good reliability ratings, I'll recommend the 2022 model year, which is considered the most reliable in the RAV4 segment. According to JD Power, the model receives an 80 score of great when it comes to reliability and quality. Moreover, the 2022 Toyota RAV4 received only 67 NHTSA complaints, the lowest Toyota has ever received for the RAV4. Best of all, no issue amassed over 11 total complaints. If you can't get your hands on the 2022 RAV4 though, consider 2021, 2020, 2005 and 2004 model years, since they also boast impressive reliability records. And for anyone interested in the 2024 model year, its predicted reliability score is 79 out of 100. Before we move to the last most reliable and affordable SUV, please show that subscribe button some love. That way, you will always be the first to be notified when a video like this is out. Number 5. Mitsubishi Outlander. The Mitsubishi Outlander first entered the US market for the 2003 model year as a replacement for the Montero Sport. At the time of producing this video, the Outlander is in its 4th generation, which first hit the market for the 2022 model year. This model is particularly interesting since it is the first to be produced under a new alliance between Mitsubishi and Nissan. In case you forgot, Nissan bought a 34% stake in Mitsubishi Motors. It therefore comes as no surprise that the 2022 Outlander rides on an entirely new platform which shares interior and several engineering components with the T33 generation Nissan Rogue/X-Trail. When it comes to reliability, go for the 2023 to 2024, 2020 and 2012 model years. Although 2023 to 2024 models have only been around for a few years and not old enough to encounter major mechanical issues, they are regarded as among the most reliable compact SUVs for 2024 to 2025. That is because, according to car complaints, an extremely small number have reported issues with the reversing camera not displaying images at times and brake calipers squeaking under braking. But this shouldn't prevent you from making a purchase since these issues are only limited to a select few. It is also worth noting that the 2024 model year scored an impressive 82 out of 100 for reliability. Final thoughts. I'd like to emphasize that how you take care of your car plays a huge role in its reliability. Also, I'd like to mention that some models encounter far fewer significant mechanical issues than others, and this in return gives them exceptional reliability ratings. Which model do you think deserves or doesn't deserve a spot in this list? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. One more thing, be sure to check out the video on the top left side of your screen. It talks about hybrid SUVs with 7 seats, making it a must watch for someone with a big family and looking to save on fuel.